Hi, Vishal here. I just add to the question earlier. The fact is that it is a film which it's an adult film, and there is an audience for it. We could figure it out in this hall itself. The question to you is. Has it been made with the sensibilities of the censor board currently? Because it's a very scissor hungry censor board today, or you have really gone out and done it for the audience the way they like it.
See, I think अभी से ये नहीं about censor board, but I know one thing: what we make films is commercial films. अगर हम लोग exactly वो सोच के चले, तो I think films भी नहीं बनेगी. I think interval तक ही खत्म हो जाएगी. But I think today what we make for commercial people. And the only thing we need to do for the people we make, we have to fight for them. And that's what we are doing it sometimes. If kabhi kuch cut mil gaye, so we fight for them. The only reason is like, this is a commercial film and we have to, jo kiya hai wahi dikhana hai.
Story 2, Hate Story 2, and this is the third one. What is the common thread, the common theme in all the three films?
See, 1, 2, 3 का तो revenge है. 2, 3 का तो मैं हूँ. और 3 का I think all the 3 story films are like the revenge story. That's the revenge, yeah.
Zareen, you're in the center. Hi. Actually, we just want to know, what was your reaction when Vishal came to you for the film? Because the role is quite bold for you. And did you ever thought that doing such kind of role?
Well, I was very skeptical in the beginning. But when I met Vishal and when he narrated me the film, and I think over a period of time he became a really good friend, and I think he has great convincing powers. and all of us have become great friends, so I don't think it was really difficult. Yeah, but in the beginning I was a little skeptical, but then in the end it was all right.
Daisy, talking to you, after Jai Ho you have chosen this film. So what made you do that? And did you go to Salman and spoke to him regarding that, yeah, you have got this role? So what was his reaction? We just want to know.
I had taken a back seat for not doing this movie, but actually Salman was the one who really pushed me. He was the one who convinced me with Vishal that you should do this, because the role is completely different from Jai Ho. And as I said, that an actor should be open to do all kind of roles. So I really want to push. This is something that I've pushed myself further. So this is not a very safe zone, but again, I wanted to try it, I wanted to do it, so I did it.
Honestly, I don't think he knew for the longest that I was doing this film. So yeah.
करण, आपका जो किरदार अलोन में भी कुछ इसी तरह का था, और इस फिल्म में भी आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन से कभी बाहर निकल के कुछ ऐसा करेंगे क्या?
शायद आपने अलोन देखी नहीं है, और शायद आपको ये ट्रेलर समझ नहीं आया, तो क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर एक एक्टर 2 फिल्म्स में किस करता है तो उसका किरदार सेम नहीं हो जाता. जिस तरह
कोई ब्रीफ करें किस तरह किरदार इसमें निभा रहे हैं आप?
नहीं समझ नहीं आया मुझे आप क्या कह रहे हैं.
कुछ ब्रीफ करें किस तरह किरदार निभा रहे हैं इस फिल्म में.
ब्रीफ तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा किस तरह का किरदार है. इट्स काफी डिफरेंट शेड्स हैं इस रोल में, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको डिटेल में नहीं बता सकता ऑब्वियसली. तो यही कह सकता हूँ कि इसमें काफी सारे शेड्स हैं.
Is it right to say that with this film you are walking out of your comfort zone, and was there a slight tennis match in your mind before taking up this project?
No, there was no confusion in my mind. When the idea of this project was discussed, I was quite sure I wanted to be a part of it. As far as it being a change in terms of what I've been doing, yes it is. I've not done erotic thriller earlier. But the idea is, I think I could have possibly done it 4 years back also, and I would have been comfortable. It was just a question of finding the right one. I found it, and I am very happy that I was a part of it.
शर्मन, इसी से जुड़ा एक सवाल है कि आपकी फिल्म अगर पिछली फिल्म फ्लॉप होती है या हिट होती है, तो उससे कितना फर्क पड़ता है अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स पर आपके चूज करने में?
नहीं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. फर्क मार्केट स्टैंडिंग में पड़ता है. नेचुरली कमर्शियल सिनेमा है, लेकिन मैं कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट करूंगा उसके बाद that doesn't impact my decision.
Even it's the same question to Zareen. Love making scene, doing a love making scene with front of entire unit. How comfortable or uncomfortable you are?
I think I was extremely comfortable. Also, I think due credit should go to Zareen and the rest of the crew, because it's part of the job. We are professionals. We are here to enact our parts, and which requires a love-making scene. We've gone out and done that as any other scene that one would approach. I am glad there is such hue and cry about love-making scenes in India, because that ensures a good opening for the film. But apart from that, in my mind, it's no big deal. I'll just give it to Zareen.
Sharman, Zareen,
Well, you know, we shot the song towards the end of the film, and by then I think we were quite comfortable with each other, and we knew each other. So, and we are actors. I mean, this is part of our job. So it's mechanical.
Sharman,
Hi.
Sharman, there was some confusion regarding who would be playing your character. Initially, it was you. Then Gurmeet stepped in. Then Gurmeet went out. Then you came in. What was it all about?
I don't know the exact issue of what happened with Gurmeet, but I can tell you what happened with me. There were some date issues, and they were not working out. We were preponing the film. Eventually, the film did get pushed back, and my dates were available, and I was asked whether I would still want to be a part of it, and I was a part of it.
Another thing that made news was about you going naked for a scene in the movie. Yeah, nude or what?
Yeah, butt naked is what I'd said. I was speaking to a journalist, and I had mentioned that if a film of certain aesthetics comes my way and it's something that I feel requires to be done, then I can even go to the extent of going butt naked. Forget kissing scenes, that's hardly an issue. And it was made to, I mean, the highlight was made that bhaiya Sharman is going butt naked, but that also suited me. At least people must have read the article effectively.
Karan?
Oh, you're disappointed? You didn't...
No, I think Karan is disappointed. I'm not disappointed.
No, just kidding. But that's what I had said, and that was that.
Karan,
Yes, my friend. How may I help you?
you sizzled with Bipasha in Alone. Your fans are eagerly waiting for another outing with Bipasha again on screen. Given the fact that you guys are good friends off screen, so can we, when do we see you guys again in the movie?
How is this related to H Story 3? Please tell me.
This is related to you.
No, this whole thing is about H Story 3, not about me. I'll give you another question, chal.
No, that is the question.
This is deleted. Next.
करण, आपने अपना फिल्म करियर अभी शुरू किया है और हमने जो प्रोमो देखा है उससे लग रहा है कि आपका किरदार नेगेटिव है, तो किसी की तरह का एप्रीहेंशन था जब आपने हाँ कहा इस रोल के लिए, और फैंस के मन में आपके लिए खास इमेज है हीरो वाली, तो नेगेटिव किरदार निभा रहे हैं आप शायद इसमें?
जी, एज एन एक्टर जितने डिफरेंट तरीके के किरदार हम निभा पाए वो हमारे लिए चैलेंज होता है, और वो ही अच्छी बात होती है. अगर एक ऑडियंस का परसेप्शन है हमारे बारे में, एक्टर्स के बारे में, और उन्हें वैसे ही रोल्स करने चाहिए और वो वैसे ही रोल्स करते रहे, तो एज एन एक्टर ग्रोथ का कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है. तो व्हेन दिस रोल वाज ऑफर्ड टू मी आई वाज वेरी किक्ड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि इसमें मैं कुछ अलग कर रहा हूँ जो मैंने पहले नहीं किया है. एंड आई थिंक जब लोग देखेंगे तो आई होप दे आल्सो लाइक इट.
बिपाशा का किस तरह का रिएक्शन था आपके इस कैरेक्टर को देखकर?
वो आपको विपाशा से पूछना पड़ेगा.
वो जब
जब आप उनसे मिलेंगे तो आप पूछिएगा. अभी हम लोग H Story 3 की बात करते हैं और उनका रिएक्शन आप उनसे पूछिएगा.
ओके,
शुक्रिया.
You know, they've never seen Salman work with you guys ever again. I mean, I think he has only worked with Katrina, the girls, among the girls that he has launched. So why is it that he has not been repeating you guys in his
I think, yeah, we're going to use his thing. Please ask Salman about that.
No, I thought you would come up with something new.
Worked with Sonakshi.
We are really inspired by him. At least I am. So I'm going to be using his name.
Daisy, I think you will come up with something original.
Your question is that why he doesn't repeat his heroines, right?
Except for Katrina, I don't think he has.
He's worked with Sonakshi. He's worked with Asin. Okay. There's your answer.
So when will Daisy and Zareen happen?
Soon, very soon.
डेजी, मेरे सवाल आपसे हैं. आपने इस फिल्म के लिए सलमान से बात की और उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया कि आप ये फिल्म करें. कंगना ने भी सलमान से बात की थी और उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया था कि वो कट्टी बट्टी करे, लेकिन जब वो फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई है तो उनकी टीम सलमान को ब्लेम कर रही है. तो अगर खुदा ना खास्ता ये फिल्म नहीं चल पाई तो क्या आप सलमान को इसके लिए ब्लेम
हम बड़े पॉजिटिव है हमारी फिल्म को लेके, हमारी फिल्म चलेगी.
Current towards the left. You have romanced both the beauties in the movie. तो
I'm sorry.
You have romanced both the beauties in the movie. So अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप इन दोनों को स्कोर करें out of 10, तो कैसे स्कोर करेंगे?
मैं तो ये तो क्वेश्चन आप बहुत डेंजरस क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. मैं कुछ स्कोर नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बट आई कैन जस्ट से दैट आई एम एक्सट्रीमली लकी.
फिर भी अगर स्कोर करना हो तो आउट ऑफ 10.
सही, आप ये जूते पड़वाने वाली बात कर रहे हैं. सॉरी.
Karan, you love story or you hate love story?
Which one is a love story, man? I love hate story. Yeah.
चलो, hello, thank you.